In this video, we're going to explore some gnarly sounds using the Behringer Phara-o-mini Synth. These techniques should translate to similar types of synth. Okay, so we're going to start off the range. The scale, it doesn't really matter. We'll start off in 16. We'll set it on the ring modulator just for some fun. We'll go LFO, VCO, delay, everything to the left so it's off. Envelope, we're going to have the attack to the left, decay, 12 o'clock, sustain to the right. The VCF, the cutoff envelope mod, is in the 12 o'clock position. Resonance is to the left, and we have our standard sound. Okay, so what we're going to do then is we're going to play with this little LFO in a second, but first we're going to add some detune. We're going to add a little bit of envelope mod. Nice. We're going to bring the resonance right up until it starts to whistle. Bring the cutoff down slightly to about 10 o'clock. And the envelope mod, we're going to bring it slightly over to about 10, 11 o'clock as well. Now then, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the LFO. We're going to bring our VCF mod up and bring the rate up. And we're going to be looking for a fast pulse. We're on the square wave. To select square wave, press function square, and we have the trigger sync on. Not that that really matters for this type of thing. So let's find a note and bring this rate up. That sounds nice. Okay, so let's bring in the VCO mod. So if we bring that up, it'll start to give it an oscillation between two different pitches. Without it. And if I bring it down slow so you can hear what it does, I'll take the VCF mod off so you can hear what this does. And then when it goes to the extreme, and if we use the rate, let's bring the VCF mod back up. Let's go higher. And let's play with our filter here. So if we change the envelope mod, let's bring it lower. And lowest. And then if we have a low note like that, we change the rate. change the VCF. So we have let's bring this envelope the other way. Oh yeah. More resonance. Bring the cutoff up. Well, if we add a fade in, and we'll give the more release here. Take that up a little higher, and let's try with some delay. Sounds like a Gregorian chant or Mongolian throat music or something. Now if we go off ring mod, let's say we go unison. Drop it all the way to the lowest again. Take the envelope the other way. Oh, that's it. Let's try the fifth. Down a little lower again. Well, there you have it. Gnarly synth sounds from the Behringer Phara-o-mini Synth. Thanks for watching.